Bitcoin drops below $44,000, Ether stays above $2,200. India won't see crypto or Web3 bill for another 18 months, senior lawmaker says. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sells another $24.3 million of Coinbase shares. Google unveils GPT-4 killer generative AI model Gemini. Robinhood launches crypto trading services in Europe. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The virtual digital assets or VDAs experienced a roller coaster ride in the last 24 hours and are now gasping for a breather. Most of the coins charted both multi-month highs and subsequently declines in the past hours. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, dropped 0.6% to 53,660. BTC was trading 0.6% lower at $43,302. In the last 7 trading sessions, the largest and the oldest token added nearly 14%. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.70%, an increase of 0.05% over the day. Ether, the second largest crypto market cap, was trading at $2.239, up by 0.02%. It posted double-digit growth in past 1 week. Well, it's interesting to see if this is the beginning of a deeper correction or an intraday dip. Stock futures hovered near the flat line Thursday morning following a 3-day run of losses for the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Futures tied to the 30-stock Dow slipped 17 points or 0.05%. S&P 500 futures slipped 0.05%, while Nasdaq 100 futures were also down 0.05%. The global crypto market cap is $1.6 trillion, a 0.50% increase over the last day. Interestingly, there are certain altcoins in the top 100 which are performing exceptionally well despite the retrace. BitTorrent is one such example. Meanwhile, decentralized finance or DeFi tokens are back in action. The total value log.tvl has soared to a 6-month high of $50 billion. Of this, $15 billion has been added since mid-October. If you ask me why, the answer is rising asset prices, fresh capital inflows, and general crypto industry positivity. It's amazing to see Solana's ecosystem thriving too, and protocols are growing 60 to 120%. Well, Binance BNB was trading up by 0.2% at $230.15. Ripple's XRP rose 2.7% to trade at $0.63. Solana Sol was trading up by 1.1% at $63.44. Talking about Cardano's EDA token, it advanced 3% to trade at $0.44. DogeCoin was slumped 4.8% to $0.09. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading up by 5% at $26.70. Polygon's Matic rose by 0.5% to trade at $0.82. Last on the list, Polkadot's DOT was trading up by 1.7% at $5.98.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. India is unlikely to bring a crypto or Web3 specific legislative bill anytime soon, and perhaps up to mid of 2025, said one of India's senior politicians who oversees the financial evolution of the nation. Jayant Sinha, chairman of the Standing Committee on Finance in India's Parliament and a Minister of Parliament from the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, was answering a question during an interview at India Blockchain Week in Bangalore about when India could see a Web3 specific bill. Regulators and policymakers are responsible not just on the innovation side, which of course we want to encourage, but also on the safety side, Sinha said. We have to really find that balance, and that balance is going to evolve over the next 12 to 18 months. India's position on crypto came under increased scrutiny after September 2023, when it pushed the G20 during its presidency to accept global guidelines for crypto without having its own legislation in place. India has kept a crypto bill in cold storage since 2021, but did indicate it will decide its position in the coming months. However, that position is unlikely to come through in the form of a bill at least in 2024, Sinha's remarks suggest. Cathie Wood's ARK Investments sold Coinbase shares for a third straight day Wednesday as the crypto exchange's share price remained near a 19-month high. The sale of 180,422 shares would have brought in $24.3 million at the closing price of $134.63. They rose as high as $147.86 on Tuesday. The sales took place from the innovation, next generation internet and fintech innovation exchange-traded funds. The investment management firm also sold 99,595 shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, worth just under $3.5 million at Wednesday's closing price. GBTC lost 0.51% to close at $34.92. Tech giant Google has officially rolled out Gemini, its latest artificial intelligence model that it claimed has surpassed OpenAI's GPT-4. The AI model has been optimized for different sizes and use cases and built to be multimodal to understand and combine different types of information. The model is also advanced in math and specialized coding compared to OpenAI's GPT-4, which cannot perform math. Meanwhile, Google claims its Ultra version achieves state-of-the-art performance across 30 out of 32 academic benchmarks used in large language model development. Furthermore, it scores 90% on a massive multitask language understanding test, surpassing human expert performance, according to Google. Trading and brokerage firm Robinhood announced the launch of its crypto services for all eligible European Union customers on December 7th. The platform will allow traders to buy and sell over 25 cryptocurrencies. Robinhood's entry into the European crypto market comes just a week after the firm launched its stock trading application in the United Kingdom. The new crypto app charges zero trading fees, and customers will also receive a percentage of their trading volume back every month in Bitcoin. The new platform also prioritizes transparency, allowing customers to view the spread, including the rebate received by the company from sell and trade orders in the app. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have FIRE token. The FIRE token has entered the Bybit exchange, marking a significant shift in the blockchain landscape. The cryptocurrency, based on the principles of Fifth Industrial Revolution, adopts a sustainable proof-of-stake consensus prioritizing environmental consciousness. This mechanism ensures profitability for investors and financially rewards sustainable practices. The FIRE community, including entrepreneurs, developers, and sustainability advocates, contributes to the platform's growth, fostering inclusivity and collaboration. FIRE is a leader in ESG as a service, leveraging a blockchain for streamlined measurement, reporting, and analysis. The platform's commitment to real-world impact is evident through strategic collaborations with governments, universities, and enterprises globally. Notable partnerships such as one with India's Niti Aayog highlights its role in shaping the next generation of blockchain developers and promoting sustainability. Next on the list, we have a Shiba Inu. Binance is offering an airdrop of $500,000 worth of cryptocurrencies, including SHIB, to its Web3 wallet users. Shiba Inu users can qualify for the airdrop by swapping tokens using the Binance Web3 wallet. The wallet, introduced in November, allows users to earn yield and access to decentralized applications. Binance's new CEO, Richard Teng, announced that 1 million wallets had been created in November. The token has risen by 20% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu also revealed network changes for the Shibarium's testnet, which is PuppyNet, experiencing a significant shift from the Goreli network to the Sepolia network. The airdrop is part of Binance's efforts to expand its user base and attract more users. However, this had no impact on Shiba Inu's price as it was trading at 3.82% down in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have AEUR, a stablecoin. Binance will compensate traders who mistakenly bought into the unusual price rally of AEUR stablecoin, designed to mirror the euro's value. The AEUR stablecoin, issued by Swiss bank Anchored Coins, saw a 200% increase in price shortly after being listed on the spot market. The AEUR USDT trading pair peaked at $3.25, significantly higher than its expected value of around $1.07. The deviation was attributed to a misunderstanding by some Binance traders who seemed unaware of AEUR's nature as a stablecoin. The AEUR stablecoin had limited liquidity due to its supply of 5 million on the platform. Binance also offered a zero-fee promotion to users for trading the stablecoin soon after its launch. Next on the list, we have Solana. The Solana ecosystem is growing rapidly with weekly active addresses reaching pre-FTX collapse levels, according to data from Messari. Solana's address activity started to increase in October after a year of dormancy. Initially launched as a new DeFi hub, it has diversified over time, with new infra and tooling like compressed NFTs bringing new consumer apps. DeFi activity has also increased, driven by airdrop announcements. Since November, Solana TVL has increased by around 47%, reaching $1.1 billion, which is back to pre-FTX collapse levels. The Solana ecosystem is promising a start for a future of DeFi. However, today Solana was trading $62, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Helium. Helium, a native token of a crypto asset of Helium network, experienced a 50% increase in price during today's trading session. The price rise began after the network announced unlimited data, voice, and text for $20 per month via a new mobile service, Helium Mobile. A nationwide phone plan launched by Nova Labs leverages the Helium network, a mobile service backed by people-powered hotspots and a 5G network. HNT, the network's native crypto asset, rallied from $2.75 to $3 in trading, making it one of the largest gainers, ranking second only to BitTorrent, which has gained 105% in the last 24 hours. HNT's 24-hour trading volume also increased, soaring by 1,039% in the previous 24 hours. HNT was trading at $5.32, up near 19% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3USTV.io or scan the QR code.